I built a passive income website with AI, no coding. Most people think making money online means learning code, hiring developers, or spending weeks building a website. But what if you could literally describe an idea and have AI build the entire website for you in minutes? Today, I'm testing something that honestly feels more practical than most AI builders I've tried recently. Welcome back to Nextcope AI, your shortcut to the smartest AI tools. Today, we're looking at Hostinger Horizons, and instead of just reviewing features, I want to test a real-world use case. Can AI actually help someone build a simple passive income website fast enough to validate an idea without coding? Because normally, the process is painful. You need a website builder, hosting, design, copywriting, SEO, analytics, and sometimes even developers. And before you even know if the idea works, you've already wasted time and money. But Hostinger Horizons is trying to simplify that entire workflow into one AI system. So let's test it properly. For this example, I'm going to build a simple productivity tool website, something like a Pomodoro timer and focus tracker. These types of websites are actually popular because they can get search traffic, AdSense revenue, and affiliate clicks over time. So instead of opening multiple tools, I'll just describe the project directly inside Horizons. Something like create a modern productivity website with a Pomodoro timer, focus statistics, dark mode, mobile responsiveness, and sections for blog content and AdSense placements. Generate. And this is the part that surprised me. Instead of giving me random templates, the AI actually starts structuring the website like a real project, AI building workflow. Now we can see Horizons generating the layout, sections, buttons, pages, and the actual functionality. And this feels very different from traditional website builders. Normally, you spend hours dragging blocks manually. Here, the AI handles most of the heavy lifting, and if you want changes, you don't need to rebuild everything. You can literally just ask the AI. For example, make the design more futuristic, add a statistics dashboard, improve the mobile version, add a sign-up section, and it updates the project instantly. Now here's where this becomes interesting. The goal isn't just making a website, it's making something that could potentially generate traffic and revenue. And this is exactly the angle Hostinger wants creators to focus on. Because once the website is live, you can connect Google AdSense and monetize visitors automatically. So instead of building random projects, you're building simple tools people actually search for online. And the best part is, you can validate the idea quickly before investing real money into developers or complicated workflows. Now, before publishing the website, let me quickly show you the actual workflow for getting started with Horizons. So here on the pricing page, you can choose the plan depending on the type of project you want to build. I'll go with the Horizons plan here. Then once you continue to checkout, you can see the full setup process is actually pretty straightforward. And if you use my code Nextcope, you'll also get 10% off the Horizons plans. So I'll apply the coupon right here before checkout. Honestly, I think this is important because if you're serious about launching projects consistently, the workflow becomes much cheaper compared to hiring developers or paying for multiple tools separately. Honestly, this is probably the biggest advantage here. A lot of people never start because they think building online projects is too technical. But now, AI handles the structure, hosting is already integrated, the website can go live quickly, and you can focus on the actual idea instead of the technical setup. This is especially useful for freelancers, students, side hustlers, small creators, or anyone trying to build online income streams. Now, once the website looks good, publishing is extremely simple. You connect your domain, launch the project, and the site goes live. So instead of spending weeks building something, you can go from idea to real website in one workflow. And honestly, that speed matters a lot when testing online business ideas. I think the strongest thing about Hostinger Horizons is not just AI website generation, it's reducing friction. Because normally, people get stuck on coding, design, hosting, or technical setup. Here, the workflow becomes idea to AI generation to launch. Much simpler, and for beginners especially, that changes everything. Overall, Hostinger Horizons feels less like a normal website builder and more like an AI business launch assistant. You describe the project, the AI builds it, you refine it, connect monetization, and launch fast. And for people trying to create side projects or passive income websites, that's actually very useful. If you want to try Hostinger Horizons yourself, check the link in the description. You can also use my code NEXTCOPE for 10% off all Horizons plans, and let me know what kind of website you'd build with it.